What's up, guys? It's Nia. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. Today's goal is to clean as much of my house as possible. Trying to keep up with life's everyday messes while working a full-time job definitely has its challenges, and some days I'm not able to get to it all, and that's okay. Today I will be washing dishes, cleaning off cluttered surfaces, mopping floors, tidying up rooms, and anything else that needs to get done. If you enjoy motivational cleaning videos like this, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Today I'm starting out in the kitchen, and as usual the countertops are a complete mess, so I'm starting off by decluttering everything, putting it back in its rightful place. There was some felt that you see on the countertops, and Riley's birthday is coming up in probably about 2 or 3 weeks or so, and I really wanted to make her a cute banner or something that I can hang up in her playroom just to make it a little bit extra special. She has been asking for a Minnie Mouse birthday party for the longest, so I want to just make things as special as possible, especially since we are no longer able to have a birthday party. So yeah, that is basically the plan. I will share how I'm making the DIY banner on my Instagram, so make sure to be following me there. And now I'm going through and wiping down the counters using the Mrs. Meyer multi-surface cleaner in the lavender scent.
Just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you? Help me the way I help you. Oh yeah, the way I help you. Why don't you help me the way I help you? Don't have to save me, just be my parachute. Yeah.
A quick cleanup after lunch. Riley had pizza this particular day, and to make cleanup so much easier, I like to lay down some tin foil on the pan, so all I have to do is throw that away. And then you do also see some sweet potatoes out. I am obsessed with sweet potato french fries, and we ran out of the freezer ones that I typically buy from the store, and I figured that I would make some on my own. I tried a new recipe that I saw on Pinterest so that they would come out really crispy, but it was a complete disaster. So if you guys have any tips and tricks on how to get like really crispy sweet potato fries, please leave them down below. family room. I wanted to pick everything up in here as well. Riley tends to play in here more often than she actually plays in her playroom, which is so weird. I think she just wants to be around people while she's playing. Quarantine for I don't even know how many weeks now, and I was in the garage and I ended up finding my old Wii Fit console and everything, so you will see me put that away because I'm still trying to find the base piece that you actually need to step on so you can play all of the games. But I am on the hunt to try and find this. I have no idea where we ended up putting it because I am just like excited to play like all the old games. I have like Mario Kart and things like that, so I am super excited. Let me know if you guys had any old games that you used to play or anything else that was fun to do and play with that really just reminds you of your childhood.
To prove that everything I say is true, and if you let me, I'll keep loving you. I just can't change my emotions. Come on, love me again. You're all I need. Can you love me again? I need. Come on, love me the way you did. I just can't change my emotions.
So I have a question for you guys. So we're thinking about getting rid of our cable package and doing more of the streaming services, but at the same time, we're really just trying to look into it before we just jump the gun and do it. What do you guys think about that? Like, do you guys have a streaming service only, or do you guys go with cable or direct TV? And also, which streaming services are your favorite?
On repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good. Keep You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
This area is one that you don't really see typically in my videos. It's my little like nook of an area as to where I edit all of my videos, and it has just been a complete mess. I have been putting off cleaning it up for the longest. It's kind of like, because it's a mess already, I kind of just like throw things in the space, but I definitely wanted to get this cleaned up.
You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say.